Hi everyone! Today we are making a broccoli salad. This salad is perfect for any potluck dinners or just a side dish. And what you're going to need is 3 crowns of broccoli cut into florets. You're going to need about a pound of cooked and crumbled bacon, and I'm going to go ahead and add this to my broccoli. And then you're going to need 3/4 cup each of raisins and dried cranberries. I love the tartness from the dried cranberries, but that sweetness from the raisins. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle that in. And then I have chopped here 1 small red onion, and I'm going to put that into my bowl. And then a cup of dry roasted sunflower seeds. Perfect. All right, I'm going to put this aside and work on my dressing. You're going to need about a cup of mayo, and to that I'm going to add about a 1/3 cup of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Okay, I'm going to give this a nice stir. Perfect. All right, I'm going to grab my salad and pour my dressing over it. Yum-o. I love this salad. I'm going to stir this and make sure everything is well coated. I love the sweetness and the saltiness from this salad. It brings it to a whole new level. All right. Now that I have everything coated, you want to put some plastic wrap over this bowl, stick it in the fridge overnight. Trust me, you'll thank me later, because all of the ingredients will blend and it's perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.